Okay, this is your aviation-friendly dub as a flying league. Correct ko na yung ating distance. Medyo na pa. Okay, this is your aviation league dub as a flying league. Second game na pa lang po tayo ngayon between Team White, yan po ang Oryx, versus Team Gray or Cobalt Gray, yan po ang QR Towers. Ayan po yan, second game pa lang po tayo. Calling po ang third game po between Cabin Crew or Cabin Line and Hub. Tuloy po ang laro natin, pumunta na kayo dito. Okay, tuloy po ang laro po natin. What the first game po kanina, talaga pinakita talaga na matindi ang laban talaga kanina. Okay. 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 Okay, this is your Japan Doubles Flying League. Would like to thank following sponsors, Team LB Sanay Padala and Troy Danilos. And of course, ito pa ating participant ang ating SBB Ara. And of course, ang PSBQ. These are participating teams. Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Boleros, Pure Towers, Freighters, SkyTeam, and The Mechanicos. First game for tonight po tayo. Now, Ranilo Labrado, Oryx playing white, and QR Towers playing Cobalt Gray. Jeff pops up, no good. Rebound battle steal by number 0. Lumawag is watching already. Okay. Foul. Labrado called for a foul. Lotero, na-foul po ni Labrado. 9:17 remaining. Adrian So, no good. Rebound, the white shirt. Chudelax to Dwight. Dwight, nagmamadali. Ayaw. And foul. Wala. Good ball. Labrado. Lotero. Uy! Nice foul by Jose. Lotero shooting for 2. Lotero first shot, wala. Second shot, jumper ready. Wala. 2 points, number 5. That Mikala. Pulintan. Kumambyo pa. Nice rebound. Nice rebound by number 0. And malakas ang pasa. Mariguli po tayo. Number 1, Pulintan. Chudelax. Ayun, Labrado. 2 points. Labrado, 2 points. Lotero, wala. Ayaw. And Adrian So, getting space. Nope, it's Mikila, muntik pa. Number 5, QR Towers, number 5, Nicola, number 5, shooting for 2. Nicola, number 5, first shot. Nope. Second shot, Nicola. Jumper ready po tayo. Nicola, second shot, jumper ready. No good. Rebound, So. Wala pa rin. And to Chudelax. Nope. Ayun na, labas mo na raw. Jose. Nope. It's 3-second violation. It's 3-second violation. Nicola. Nope. Rebound battle won by number 0. Nicola thinking 3. Pops up. Bangs it in. Good luck sa Oryx team, sabi ng Scott.
Shoutout sa'yo, Scott.
Pops up. Chudilax. No good. Rebound. Foul. Lalo la kay Albert Dino Marasigan, number 1 sa depensa. Very and then in the sky, shaking the truth. No good. Rebound. Adrian So. Oy! Stepping. Foul. Nope. It's pushing foul. I'll be the one waiting for you. Waiting for baby, the one waiting for Adrian So. Adrian So. 2 points, Adrian So. Begging Jerusalem. Uy, foul called. Foul on Mr. Bajola, number 1. Labrado, 2 points. Chudilax. Nope. It's number 0. Malakas. Chudilax, touch pass. Jose, 2 points. Okay, second 5 po tayo. Samson Gabi is watching right now and Jigs Velas is watching. Okay, second 5 po tayo. Okay, nandiyan po si Talan, si number 11, si number 2, at si Montesilio, at si number 4. Kabilang mo si Bulawan, si number 1, si Marasigan, yung kanyang sentro. Okay, yan po si Sabido, at si, of course, si Al Natur, number 16. Boss. Nice game pare, nice game.
Martin.
Oh,
First
nice
double
game,
overtime.
First double overtime of the season. Al Natur, the big man. 2 points, Al Natur. The big man.
Shout out 30 Canton. Nasa Bali ata.
30 Canton, nasa Bali ka daw. Bali, Indonesia.
Bali, Indonesia. 30 Canton.
30 Canton.
Manila, Philippines.
Manila pa, nasa Manila. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Talan. Talang, power move, palpal ni Marasigan. Nice game pre, nice game. Montesilio, eto na naman tayo. Nicola, no good, no foul. Pops up, no good still. Tapping battle, tapik-tapik lang dyan, tapik sa balikat, wala. And to number 7, Sabido. To Mr. Al Natur. To number 1, mga liman, nawala ang bola kay Manang Iliman, muntik na. Montesilio, Oh, ayaw. Mami na. Pops up, number 11. No good. Kaldog. Okay, sabi, hepball lang daw. Sabi ni Marasigan. Hep. Shoutout kay Lance Malaniman. Bulawan, the golden boy. Pops up. Wala, ayaw. Isa pa daw, number 1. Again. Nope, it's Namboy. Offensive foul. Nice foul. Nice guard by number 4. That's touchdown. Montesillo to Tajida. Nope, it's Talan. Nope, rebound. Paul. Battered. Binatuhan kay Mr. Al Natur. 2 points. 2 points Al Natur. Binabahan bola ngayon, number 24. It's Montesillo. Foul called. On Mangaliman. Lance Mangaliman for sure. Oop. Bothered. Out of bounds. Actually, na-check na ng puti yun eh. Hinabol na lang. Al Natur again. Natur. Pops up. Nope. In and out. Stuart Towers. Bring on the ball. Montesillo 21. Lost the ball. Good ball sana. Kabila. Same ball tayo. Same ball. Magsinlaki lang pala yung dalawang ito eh. Montesillo being guarded by Mangaliman. Tajida. Battered. White ball. Samson Gabi. Good luck to mga Lodi. Salamat po sir. Sabido. Bulawan. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Talan. 24. Pops up. Kapos. That's Galvan missing again the shot. Uy, malakas. Montesillo. Talan. Galbao, tira mo na. Out of bounds. Out of time. Okay, second quarter action. Lamang na po ng 3 ang Oryx. 7-10. Okay, second quarter now si Jose with Pulintan, of course with Labrado, Masbang, and Chudlax. Kabila po po si Nicola, si number 0, si number 72, that's Mateo, Badjola, nando si number 0. Lotero na naman, Lotero. And Mateo for 3. Wala. Masbang, 2 points. Turnaround shot, 2 points. Masbang, 2 points. Lotero. Lotero, nababantayan. Jose, oy! Backing. Nice guard, Jose. Pulintan. To Mr. Labrado, to Pulintan again. Pulintan. Masbang, the big man. Masbang. Malakas. Out of bounds. White ball. Pop sa Masbang. No good. Rebound. Mateo naka-rebound. Jose. To Mehdi. Pops up. Nope, it's Nicola versus Jose. Nicola thinking three. Nope, ayaw. Driving. Fouling. Jose called for the foul. Teka lang ha. Focus natin to. Yan, para na. Binababo ng airport tayo ngayon. Mr. Pulintan, foul called. Foul on Pulintan. Pulintan fouled by Mateo. Pulintan shooting for 2. Pulintan shooting for 2 po tayo. Pulintan. 2 shots awarded para kay Mr. Pulintan. Pops up. Pasok. 7:56 remaining. Second quarter action. Dahab, nasa na kayo Dahab? Nandito na yung kalaban ninyo. Kayo na hinihintay, Dahab. Maraming salamat po. Second shot, Pulintan, good ball. And Nicola, binababa ang ball ni Nicola. Ayun na, Mehdi. No good. Nicola, binabantayan. Mehdi, number 0 for 3. No good. Good ball. To Delax. Dish of pass, no good. Pajola. Chudelax. The long arms of Chudelax reaching in. And Mr. Masbang, foul. Uy, muntik na. Good ball. Same ball. And, Masbang pops up. No good rebound to Mr. Lotero. Foul called. Pops up. Nicola wala. Rebound. Mr. Masbang. Masbang rebounding. Pulintan driving the ball. Setting up the pace. Jose the sniper. Jose. Pops up. Malakas. Masbang. Tumama sa linyang bola. Balik po sa gray ang bola. Gray ball. Mateo 72. Stop by Masbang. Pulintan, Masbang. Wow. How are you gonna stop the man like Masbang? So, balik muna tayo.
Pwede. Hindi na ako ng video.
May problema, hindi ako lisensyado. Meron kasunod na baby. Masbang second shot. Wala! Rebound, di ko lang yung bola. And Lutero. Nick Padjola. Rebound, Chudelax. To Mr. Jose. Jose. Uy! Good ball, Masbang. And one play. Okay, Masbang, number 34, shooting for 2. Or bonus free throw rather, sorry. Padjola. Tapos. And Nicola. Wala pa rin. Kulintan. Kulintan. Uy, foul called. And change by the boot tayo. Lamang po ng 10 ang, of course, ang buko po na ni Melvin Oryx basketball team. Balik. Natur. Bulawan. Pops up. Kapus. Bulawan muli. Bulawan. Kapus. Sobra. Montecillo, Nicola, Tajida rather. 2 points Tajida, transition offense. 9-17, 4-19 remaining. Tapos. Paul kick pass, Tajida. Tajida. Rebound, Natur. No, Paul reaching in, good ball. Paul driving, tapos Bulawan, out of bounds. Melvin, lamang ako po na nyo, Melvin, lamang na 8, 9-17. Bulawan, wala pa rin, foul. Pops up, tapos. Wala pa rin, foul on Tajida. So, 8 minutes so, nawalang bola, nagis si Natur, and Bulawan naman, nagmamadis Bulawan, Natur, foul, touch naman. Pangatlo na yata yun sunod silang foul yan. Pangalo pa lang, sorry. Second personal foul on Tajida. Natur first shot, no good. Second throw. No good. Rebound Bulawan. Ayun, 2 points. Nice pass si Bulawan. Assist agad yan. Montesillo. Good ball pero may foul called. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Okay, foul number 1. That's Mangaliman. And touchdown. Touchdown. Palpal. Nice block. Swipe away by Team Oryx. Nice block by number 23, yung kanyang sentro. Montesillo. Adrian So. Nice pass. Paul naman si Paul. What a play. What? Touchdown, 2 points. Touchdown. No foul by the referee says. Wag na makikilans. Wag ka malakit. Lance Mangaliman ha. Sabi ni Maverick Valdez. And Bulawan. Oy, Hab, nasa na kayo? Tuloy yung laro ninyo, uy. And Mr. Bulawan. Nandun si So. May foul. Oy, Team Hub, nasa na kayo, Team Hub? Andito yung kalaban ninyo. Inintay kayo. 1:26 remaining. Rep, first quarter, second quarter. Ano to? Second na. Okay, good. Nakakalimot ako ng oras eh. Second quarter now is now already ending. Lamang na po ng Siam ang Oryx, 11-20. Waiting for you. Paul, touchdown. Ayun, okay. Touch number 3. Nope. Rebound, battle won by the white shirts. Kinabang bola ngayon, Mr. Mangaliman. Mangaliman Lance. Pop sa Bulawan from Mr. Bulawan. No good. Rebound, Lance. Natur. Dukot. Hindi. Bulawan muli. Bulawan. Wala pa rin. Marasigan. Good guard by Marasigan. And Talan. Wala pa rin. Marasigan naka-rebound. And to Mr. Natur. Al Natur. And to Mr. Bulawan. Naipit. 3-second violation. 21 seconds remaining na po tayo sa ating first half action. Touchdown. Nandun si Paul. Good. Paul. Montesillo. Ayun, tala. Nice one. Selfless play. Muntik pa. Okay, after 2 quarters po, laman po ng 7 ang Team Oryx. Halftime muna po tayo. Magbabalik muna po tayo. Parang 11 daw, wala. Okay, third quarter action start right now.
Medyo makakabot.
Makakabot tayo. Oy! Pulintan, creating space to Chudelax, attacking, pow! Still white ball pa rin po tayo. Shotitan, third quarter na po tayo, sir. Shotitan, third quarter na po tayo. Calling the hub. And of course, ang cabin line, nasa na po kayo. Tuloy po ang laro ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Badjola, Gabiola, good ball. Nicola, Badjola, Lutero for 3. Nope, rebound by the white shirts. Labrado, good ball, same ball. Najib Macabre is watching. Chudelax. Bang! 2 points, Chudelax. Nicola foul called. Nicola, second shot. Wala. Rebound battle won by the gray shirts. Nicola. No good. Jose naka-rebound. And Labrado again. Labrado. Whoa! What a lay-up by Labrado. Okay, magalala. Pwede yung kunin yung reels na yun. Walang problema sa akin yun. Hindi naman copyright yun eh. Labrado shooting for the bonus free throw. Nice one. Number 0. Yung dapat yung ginagawa, dapat niya mag-rebound muna siya. Nandun si Natur. Natur, driving strong, 2 points. Badjola, nice steal by foul called. Badjola called for the foul. Shoutout po kay Rob Wastiga, si player kay si Asher James. And of course, Jurex Juro player brigade po, yan po si Mr. Albert Dino Marasigan. Ito na. Oy! How? Natur. Nandun. Shoot lax. Close the ball. Kick pass. Luther. Kay Mr. Montesilio. Montesilio. Nice shot by Montesilio. Shoot lax. Wala. Yan naman, si Mahdi. Medi. Nice touch pass, Nicola Tajida. Good ball. Nice transition offense. Labrado. Wala na. 1926, babagay. 1926, lamang pa rin pong Oryx. Tajida, ayaw niya. Medi. Tajida. Dukot, wala. Ball. Wala. Pulintan to Natur. Bishop pass, Pulintan, Dukot, wala pa rin. Nicola to Medi, binababa ang bola. Uy, 3. Stepping, boss. Stepping, boss. Stepping, sir. Timeout on Towers. 19-20 score po natin. A 7-point lead advantage by Oryx basketball team. Game, Marasigan to Lance Mangaliman. Lance kay Natur. Foul. Pushing foul. Nope, it's nice defense pala. Nope, nice defense by Mr. Tajida. Nakalusot. Ay lang. 2 points. Montesilio. Bulawan, no good. Natur, naka-rebound. Natur kay Marasigan. Wala. Rebound, dalawa sila. Nawala pa rin. Sumabog yung racket. Wala pa rin. Bulawan. Nandun si Paul. Paul nagmamadre. Paul. Wala. Mali pasa. And Lance Mangaliman. Lance. Bulawan. Uy, traveling itong boss. Montesilio. Pinasa kay Mr. Nicola to Medi. Medi versus Natur. Nicola. Wala. Rebound Paul. Lost the ball to Nicola again. Nicola. Kick pass kay Tajda. Malakas. Nicola. 2 points. Mr. Tesla. Nicola. Shoutout kay Albert Dino Marasigan. Marasigan, Bulawan, malakas. Bulawan muli. Mangaliman, Natur, nope, it's Dino, Malasigan. Birdie. Five seconds to shoot. Good ball. Yung mga kalamangan ng Oryx over QR Towers. Adrian So, 2 points. Bulawan, kick pass, birdie. No good. Medi. Lost the ball, almost. Medi, pinasa, Montesilio. Medi for 3. Malakas. Ayan na naman sila. Bulawan. And one play. Sorry. And one play. Bulawan, 2 points. Malasigan. Bulawan. No good. Rebound to White Shirts. Lance Mangaliman against Tajda to Chudelax. Kick pass birdie to Chudelax. Nice pass to Lance. Pops up. Bang! Natur, 2 points. Calling the hub. Nasa na kayo? Nandito na yung kalaban ninyo. The hub. Where are you na? Pops up. No good. Kick pass. Natur, 2 points. Natur, 2 points. And si Mr. QR Towers. Mangaliman. Still completed. Natur, 2 points. Big man Natur, 2 points. 21 seconds remaining. Adrian So, kapos. Oh, foul. Penalty situation, Team QR Towers. 7 seconds remaining, third quarter action. First shot, nope. Two seconds remaining, third quarter action. Patapos na. Okay, nagkuha ng time about. They want to map this thing out. Last second kasi, last shot kasi. Grabe. Malamang. Siguro, balatan natin to ng third quarter to, 30 to 25 minutes, 30 minutes to. Magsisimula tayo, 10:30. Nandiyan naman sila.
Andiyan na.
Yan na sila.
Kuya pa na to eh.
Yung mga ano yung dahab.
Andiyan na.
Magsisimula ito. Pares lang kulang din eh. Two seconds remaining. Glance! Wala na. Okay, fourth quarter action about to start right now. Dr. Blackjack. Score, boss. 25-37. 12 kalamangan. Pabor po sa Oryx. This is your aviation friendly Doubles Flying League. These are main sponsors, Telenilos and Team LBC. And of course, part of by SPB Ayara and PSB Basketball League. Ito ba ating participating teams for season number 5. Welcome na po sa ating eliminations. For second game po natin po is now between QR Towers and Oryx Basketball. And of course, after what po ito, of course, yan po yan, cabin line and the hub.
Hindi naman tama sa ring ang tira ngayon.
Masigan. Picking. Bulawan. Nope, it's pops up. Nope. Ikaw, sabi referee. Sabi referee, ikaw yun. Hindi kami. Hindi sila, ikaw yun. Okay, bilang baba po tayo. Yeah. Ready? Mateo, nawala ang bola. Mateo, finger roll, no good. Nato, naka-rebound. Clearing the boards. To Mangaliman Lance. Mangaliman. Uy, nawala ang bola. Bulawan, Chudelax, pops up. Nope. Rebound, tap to Natur. Wala pa rin. Lost the ball. Nice one. Good ball. Lotero. Bajola. Bateo. 3-second violation. Sabi ng referee. Yes. Jeff Bustos is watching. Nice one by Lance. Lotero, kumuha ng pick. Lotero, 6. Uy! Si Daisy. Pushball rep. Number 14. Number 14, called for the foul. Latour, 2 points. Tajida, Nicola Ratter. Montecillo for 3. Nope. Rebound to Nicola. Medi. No good. Rebound na Jose. To Lance Mangaliman. 6:58 remaining. 25-41. Malago na ang Oryx. Bulawan. Pops up. Ayaw. Bulawan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound Bulawan. 2 points. Pinababa ang bola. Lotero. Foul. Timeout. QR Towers. The score right is 25-43. Lamang po ng 18 ang QR Towers. Ang Team Oryx, sorry. Team Oryx po ha. .6-12 remaining, 25-43 po score po natin. Okay, Tajida for the inbound. Nandun si Judilax. Judilax. 2 points Judilax. Nicola. Kick pass, swing pass. Tajida, kapos. Nandun si Nicola, wala. One more time, Paul, 2 points. Jeff Bustos is watching. Mangaliman, pops up. Bang, wala. Kapos. Judilax. Ayun, Mangaliman, sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Paul, naka-rebound. Medi. Nicola for 3. 3 points. And timeout QR Oryx. Box, paano mo na rito? Magbe-break na ako. Magsalita ako.
No. Shout out. Sir Melvin, 30-45. 45 yung Oryx. 30 yung QR Towers. Score 45, 30. Nag-update na ako ng score. Si Ibis ang kulit eh.
Talent P. Ito, Talent P pare. Talent P.
Si Ibis ang kulit eh. 45 nga, tsaka 10.
Sige, magsalita ka. Magsalita ka. Sige na.
Si Ibis eh.
Eh, dito na natin para maging video ko. Ay, magsalita ka. Sabi, magsalita ka.
No.
Oh, sa'yo, pogi ako. Yun, oh.
Yan.
Okay, thank you pare.
Okay,
Salamat sir. Salamat.
No problem.
Ay, thank you, salamat. Okay. Oy, mutik na. Scott, naman po kayo, 32-49, 17-point lead. Advantage, Montesilio, pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Montesilio. 3 points, Montesilio. Eto naman si Labrado. Jolens, 2 points. Jolens, 3:12 remaining. 3:9 remaining. 3 foul called. Foul called. Okay. Inbounding si Tajida. Pops up. Nicola hounded by the white shirts. Nicola, 2 points. 2 points, Nicola. Binababa ang bolang yun. Ito naman tayo, Mr. Pulintan. And to Mr. Chudelax, kick pass, Pulintan. Bang! 2 points. 2:34 remaining. Montesilio nagmamadali. Oh, pinarangan ni Jose. Mr. Jose to Tajda. 2 points, Tajda. 2 points. Jeff Buss is watching right now. Naka-crossover ba Jose? Jose pops up. No good. Binababa ang bolang yon ni Mr. Talan to Mr. Tajda. Palpal ng konti. Talan. Wala. Okay, Pulintan. Binababa ang bola ni Pulintan. Jose versus Nicola. Nakalusot ang konti. Eto na. Foul! Number 5, fourth foul. Oh, boss, ano score? 39-53. Pop sa Jose. Tapos. Maddie. Ayun na. Nicola, 2 points. Binabambo lang yan, of course. Ito na. Number 1, Pulintan. Nakalusot. Nope, it's number 17, 2 points. Montesilio, nandun si Jose. 52 seconds remaining. Jose, 2 points. Pops up, Adrian So, wala pa rin. Chudelax. Safety basket na, Jose for 3. Nope. One more time, Jose for 3. Nope, it's 2 points. Number 17, 2 points. Maddie. Bang, 3 points. And that's it. Congratulations. Final score 44-59. Winner Winner po tayo, winner. Teka lang ha. Final score 44-59, winner, Team Oryx. Maraming salamat po and next game po tayo. Saan po tayo sa ating next game of the day between Cabin Line and The Hub. Thank you very much.